Oh, that's the ticket. Oh wow, man, it's strong over here. Here we go, 7, soft lockout main limit. Main limit open too long. Let's make sure it's 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got 7 saying, so it's showing me soft lockout, main limit, open too long, 1 hour delay. So that's the main limit here, back here. Let's just check our continuity. Strong of gas in here. Let's go ahead and okay. That's closed. What we can do is jiggle these because a lot of times with these smart valves, these harness wind up being the issue. Let's reset it. A bit small and as strong as it does of gas in here. I'm not, I gotta figure that out. Where that smell's coming from. Far this up. It's strong. Super strong with gas. Huh. This is crazy. Oh, it's crazy strong over here. Wow. Okay. Let's say it's definitely over here somewhere. Oh. Oh, that's the ticket. Oh wow, man, it's strong over here. Maxed. Huh. What in the world? Spiking over here. My goodness. Oh no. Goodness gracious. Wow. We gotta resolve that. I'm glad I didn't start the unit up. That's no good, man. Oh, gotta cut the gas off. Definitely want to cut that off ASAP.
So yeah, I got that thing all patched up. It was a pretty volatile situation as far as this gas leak was concerned. I came here initially for, you know, just a no heat service call, but I'm really sensitive to that gas smell, so it was just bothering me as I was trying to diagnose it, as you can see. So I just had to stop what I was doing and try to pinpoint this thing. So yeah, the customer was definitely super happy that I found it. She said she was smelling gas here and there periodically throughout the house, but just didn't think much of it. For those of you that are not in the field doing work watching this video, make sure if you smell any kind of gas, don't take it for granted. because yeah, it could be very dangerous, as you already know. I've got the video diagnosing the board coming as well that I started in the beginning of this video. Yeah, that's coming here shortly. But yeah, this is just one of those for techs out there as well. I know a lot of guys, I mean, some people aren't as sensitive to it, to be honest, but if you smell some gas, you might want to try to find the source of the leak, because it could be something like this. But other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.